welcome to our video today. We're making some snack bags for soccer. Again, we made some a few weeks ago. So if you have any kids in soccer, like the boys, check out my previous video on that. We had fun making those. So this week we're gonna make some more snacks. It's Zachary's turn to bring snacks for the team. Can you say hi?
Hi.
And so we are gonna get these snacks going. I made these stickers say way to goal. So hopefully we score lots of goals today, huh? Yeah. So we're gonna put them on our little treat bags and then we'll make our snacks for the whole team. So here's the bag, it'll be super cute. Right. Do you wanna make one? Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, so we have our treats for the team. Peanut butter crackers, these are the boys' favorite. Oranges, and then juice. I like to try and get 100% juice because kids go crazy on sugar. But we have this other little treat. What do you have, Zachary?
Soccer balls.
Soccer balls of chocolate.
Soccer balls is chocolate.
Chocolate soccer balls, so that'll be a nice treat. So we'll put everything in the bags and they'll be ready to go for our game.
Here's mine.
All right, so here is our treat bags for the week. Juice, peanut butter crackers, orange, and a special little chocolate soccer ball. So we'll make these all up for the team and we will head off to our soccer game today. All right, so our soccer treats are ready to go. We're gonna go off and play some soccer today. The boys are gonna score lots of goals, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you gonna score lots of goals?
Mm-hmm.
Are you having a chocolate already?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my, that's that gonna make you run fast?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, thanks for watching our video. Like I said, we made some soccer treats the other day, so check that video out as well. Some ideas if you have little ones who need to take treats for their team. We had so much fun making these. We hope that you have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Say bye.
Bye. Mommy.
Say bye.
Bye. Bye.